As of right now, he owes 43,000. Our oldest just turned 18. He's going to college. I've never had help from this man. He's had more children with other women. He was trying to put a parole package together, and he had the audacity to ask if I had pictures with him and the kids to prove that he's a great dad.
He has received those papers because he was very upset about it.
Right. Jaime Garcia has not been served. He is not here, but I have Kimberly Hobbs here.
Yes, we're gonna have to reset that one, Your Honor. We have service pending on him. And I believe he's incarcerated, so we just haven't been able to get service on him yet.
All right, so
Your Honor, may I speak?
yes, ma'am.
Hi, Your Honor. My ex-husband, Jaime Garcia, he is actually the first case with Guadalupe Chapa. That's the same man. That's the same person. I would like to ask that this is not the first time I am rescheduled. As of right now, he owes 43,000. Seems like the court can never catch him, and he's been incarcerated. This is the longest he's been incarcerated. I know it's somewhere in Beeville, Texas, because he'll send a card every now and then.
Okay.
Our oldest just turned 18. He's going to college. I've never had help from this man. He's had more children with other women. And I just want to know if he's incarcerated, can you put pressure on that? Is that possible? Because, I mean, they tell me, don't worry, he can't get a driver's license, but he drives. Don't worry, he can get
He drives even though he's
Oh yes. Oh yes.
Ma'am, listen to my question. Is he incarcerated or is he out?
Yes. He's incarcerated.
So he's not driving right now, correct?
No, but when he's out,
Okay, yeah. When was the last time he was out?
I believe in October.
Okay.
And I know he said he was trying to put a parole package together, and he had the audacity to ask if I had pictures with him and the kids to prove that he's a great dad. And I said I did not. So I know he's trying to get parole, but he has an outstanding balance on the child support. And it seems every time I log on to a Zoom, I'm rescheduled and rescheduled.
Okay, let me look. I'm looking at your file right now. Go ahead, Mr. Feist, your response.
Yes, we do. We have service pending on him, Your Honor. So we do know where he's at. We just haven't got the documents back yet from there.
Okay. The other case that he has with Miss Chapa, was that the same service place? Or is that one also need to be changed?
No, Your Honor, we got service on him on June the 29th of 23. So
Same location?
not too long ago. Yeah.
Okay, hold on. All right, I'm just looking at your file, Kimberly, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Because it seems like it's been consolidated. So
May I ask what that means, Your Honor?
are you divorced?
Yes, we've been divorced for
Okay, what
almost.
happened, yeah, the only thing that happened is that the attorney started a case for child support at one point in time.
Yes,
And
and
then your divorce, yeah, and then your divorce came through, and so you had two separate files. So they consolidated them together.
yes.
And so it's not letting me look at the first case, it's sending me over to your divorce. So hold on a minute. If you have, just give me a minute because I have to upload two different files, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you have any other announcements, Mr. Whitworth, Mr. Feist, you just let me know.
All right, Your Honor. We're adding the new reset dates.
Yes.
Yeah.
Do you need them?
No, I got them.
Okay. All right, Ms. Hobbs, if you will look on the screen, hold on, let me move this. If you will look on the screen, this is the official citation. Here's the style of it. Can you see a citation? In the middle of the paper, it says citation.
Yes,
All right. This is the citation that they issued for Jaime Orlando Garcia.
yes,
This is your cause number. It was issued in May. And they issued it at the jail facility in Cagnan Road in San Antonio. This part is empty. This is the part that the constable has to fill out. And he'll tell me when he served him, he'll mark off this box and say, we gave it to him at this address. It's completely empty, which means I
yes.
can't proceed until I get this back from the processor. I'm thinking, what happens is a lot of the times they can't get, and I don't know if you can see this other one. Hold on. I don't know. What are you seeing now on the screen?
The same citation at the bottom where it's empty.
Okay, let me show you the other one in your case. And so what happens is I can't proceed until that is returned by the constable showing that they gave him the paperwork. And let me show you one other thing. Hold on.
Judge, I'm sorry. Can I say something really quick? I believe he's already received those.
Well, great. If you can get the constable
The
to. I
only
can't take
thing
your
is
word
that
for it.
the jail is, forgive me for saying it, but they're terrible at giving him paperwork, giving him all of that. But if I'm not mistaken, the last time I spoke with him, which I haven't spoken to him in a good while, he was telling me that he received papers like those. But
Well,
I'm not,
are you looking now at it? What are you looking at now? It's sort of like a paper that's got several entries in it, correct?
yes, but
Right,
he
this
has
is your
received
case.
papers for child
Right,
support for
this
Kimberly,
is-
for Ms. Hobbs.
Great. This is your case. See where it says issued to Jaime Garcia, which means they sent it out. Issued to Kimberly, and right here on the last line, return on Kimberly Hobbs served July the 8th. I need the same entry for him. I needed to say return on Jaime Garcia and on the date they gave it to him. If
Yeah, I
I
think
don't have
Ms.
that,
Hobbs would have to call the jail, and if Ms. Hobbs wants to have the information for that, but the jail is very, it's not as bad as getting paperwork, but if I'm not mistaken, he has received those papers because he was very upset about it.
great.
Because he was upset that he got mine, because he
Yeah.
got mine too. So he was
Okay.
upset that both of them
All
was,
right,
and I was
Ms.
like, well,
Chapa, we're not picking up your case, but thank you for the information.
okay, yes, you're welcome.
That helps. That means they're able to get on the facilities, Ms. Hobbs. They are able to get onto the facility. For some reason or other, they're having trouble. It has not come back unserved. If they gave it to him, great. I just need the constable to return it. I already show you what the rules of civil procedure say. So if you're telling me, if Ms. Chapa is saying that he got your paperwork, Ms. Hobbs, and if you're telling me that he does know about it, then I just need the paperwork from the sheriff that tells me that he already got it. Okay, so under any circumstances, I cannot proceed today, but that's just because of the rules of civil procedure.
Your
There's-
Honor, may I ask, the sheriff in Maverick County or sheriff from there?
No, this is what you call an out-of-state county, out of city. In other words, it gets issued by the district clerk in Maverick County, Mr. Vielma, and then it goes to the Bear County sheriff, and then they find somebody to go out to the facility. Unless this was a private process server, Mr. Feist, can you tell me?
Jessica, do we know if that was a private? Or was it?
No, it's a Bear County constable.
Okay, yeah, so Maverick County sends it to San Antonio, and then San Antonio has to go out there.
Okay.
What you can do, if you can call the Bear County Sheriff and tell him to find out the name of the deputy and tell him that it has to be returned, or maybe it's already in the process. I just can't proceed until those two notations are made in your court file. The one that's supposed to be filled out at the bottom of the page, and then the district clerk saying service return citation served on Jaime Garcia, served on such and such date. Okay,
Okay, Your Honor.
so Mr. Feist, I don't know if you all were gonna issue another one. You're almost gonna have to because of the date, but how much time would you need?
Jessica, how much time you need?
Is-
I just emailed Bear County to check status on that. But if it's returned unexecuted, I would say, like a month.
Okay. Let's try to do it. Well, let's try to do it the end of
September
October.
26th?
You think you can do it by then going on to the facility?
Oh, she said a month.
Okay,
That's,
all right. September the 26th, Miss Hobbs, we'll try to speed it up for you.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Right, thank you. It'll be same time, same Zoom code. You connect in the same way. If you don't have any objections, we'll do it remotely.
September 26th, same code, same time.
Yes,
Okay, Your Honor. Thank you for your time.
you're welcome. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.